Welcome back to my channel. Today we have Petit Vour. This is the box for August. If you don't know already, this is an $18 a month subscription box, and everything in it is always vegan and cruelty free. And the products they usually put in there is kind of on the higher end, so even though they're normally deluxe sample sizes, they are definitely worth more than what you pay for this. But sometimes they have like one or two full-size items. So let's go ahead and see what is inside this month. Okay, so opening up the box, this is what it looks like. And of course, on top is this card with this month's theme. The back has the items, the description, and the price. So it looks like this month they sent 5 items. Usually it's 4, but this month it's 5. So the first thing we got here is Ursa Major Sublime Sage Spray Deodorant, and this retails for $18. I don't think I've ever used a spray deodorant. Sometimes I get them, but I don't use them unless they're basically like this, mineral based and stuff like that, because I don't like to use aluminum based deodorants. So I'm super excited about this one. This one says it has geranium and sage in it. Okay, that's a beautiful combination. Okay, so let's read a little bit about it. This is $18. This instantly refreshing herbal deodorant neutralizes odor-producing bacteria with a powerful blend of plants, minerals, and enzymes. Okay, I'm gonna open it so we can smell it. Okay, it smells really good. It smells clean, so I do like that. Next item we have here is, okay, I'm not gonna say this right. It's Sahajan Brightening Mask. And this little guy right here retails for $15. It's a blend of anti-inflammatory and brightening turmeric extract, oils, and exfoliating hyaluronic acids to give you glowy skin at any age. So of course I like that, and I really like turmeric skincare. It really does wonders on my skin. I don't know what it is, but it's magical, so super happy about this. This also says it has hemp seed oil in it too, so if you're a hemp seed oil person, there you go. I'm not going to open it because I'm not using it yet, but if you ever wonder about the products that I'm using up, I do a empties and purges video about every 2 months where I show you all the products I've used up and things that I've decided to declutter from my collection of skincare and makeup. So if you want to see that, just pay attention. That will probably be coming up soon if it hasn't already. So let's go ahead and see what the next product is. Okay, next thing we have is Adolu Natural Citrus Sunflower Shower Gel. And this little guy retails for $3. This skin conditioning gel combines emollient, rose hemp, and argan oils with coconut oil and aloe vera to create cleansed yet hydrated skin. So I have used some of these before, their skin, the shower gels, and they are very lovely. Like them very much, but I am not a big shower gel person, so I might pass this along. The reason I'm not is I make a lot of my own handmade soaps, and because I'm making my own soaps, I can cater it to my exact skin, and the stuff that I use is very hydrating and moisturizing and really does help condition my skin, so I don't have a need for shower gels. Next thing we have is Tinted Nutrient Day Cream. Okay, this is super small. This retails for $2.50, so this is very much so sample right here. This is Josh Roseback Tinted Nutrient Day Cream. This luxurious lightweight cream preps and smooths skin before makeup or alone for a moisturized and protected glow with a finished or smooth finish. So that is nice. And there is one last thing in this. This is Evo Cleansing Wipes, and this retails for $14. These biodegradable multitasking wipes are made with hemp fibers to cleanse skin, remove waterproof makeup, and keep skin hydrated. Okay, so I had got these months ago in a BoxyCharm. I'm never super thrilled about getting face wipes in a beauty box. I'm not against them. I love face wipes. I use them all the time. I think they're great, but like in a beauty box, I kind of want something more. I will use these because, yeah, face wipes. But yeah, and remembering, I don't think that I had any issues with it. It was fine, but like the count in this is kind of low for $14. See if I can find how many is in there. I think it's like some ridiculous number. Hold on a second. Yeah, there's 15 wipes in here. 15 wipes for $14. So that means these are almost $1 a wipe, almost. I don't think that's a great deal. But yeah, but they are natural, vegan, conscious, cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, toxic-free for all skin types. So they are a great product. I mean, $14 for 15 wipes, anyways, that is it of what is in my box. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know down below what your favorite item is. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like. And if you want more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.